Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to show you that fresh off the broadcast then and now 2022. If you are new, so please subscribe our channel for more updates. And if it's your favorite TV show, then like this video. Let's start the video. First of all in this list is Ivan Hanman, who is playing the character of Barefoot Dave, who was born on 30 April 2002 and ages 19 years old. Next is Travan Lacombe, who is playing the character of Trent, who was born on 21 April 2021 and age is 16 years old. Next is Ray Wise, who is playing the character of Marvin, who was born on 20 August 1947 and age is 74 years old. Next is Chelsea Crisp, who is playing the character of Honey, who was born on 1983 and ages 39 years old. Next is Lucille Song, who is playing the character of Grandma Hong, who was born on 15 August 1938 and ages 83 years old. Next is Ian Chen, who is playing the character of Ian Chan, who was born on 2006 and ages 15 years old. Next is Forrest Wheeler, who is playing the character of Amory Huang, who was born on 21 March 2004 and ages 17 years old. Next is Hudson Yang, who is playing the character of Eddie Huang, who was born on 24 October 2003 and ages 18 years old. Next is Constance Wu, who is playing the character of Jessica Huang, who was born on 3 May 1996 and ages 25 years old. Next is Randall Park, who is playing the character of Lewis Hong, who was born on 23 March 1973 and ages 47 years old. So friends, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit like the button and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.